On today's technical edition of Nature's Glory Cabin, we will be installing the Kevins Offroad 8.8 skid plate for the 8.8 limited slip rear end we have installed in our 1999 TJ. So, hope everybody enjoys it. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this and others. And here we have a view of the skid plate, both top and bottom. We show the hoops that go over the axles and where it bolts to the underside of the webbing on the rear end. This is the bottom side, which shows the pinion guard that's also included. Okay, so today we're going to be fitting our Kevins Offroad 8.8 skid plate, and before we send it out to powder coat. So we're going to get it, use our little jack here and run it up, get it where it belongs, try to get everything lined up on the there are bolt holes in the frame, of the rear end that this needs to bolt into. We had a little problem with the previous one, and they sent us another one that was lining up better already. We're going to need to drill a hole right here once I get everything lined up. And just so you can see what it looks like from behind, you can see how it protects the back of the rear end real well. And in the front, you can notice that it's a pinion guard as well. I don't know if you can see here very well, we got a pretty good gap on this bracket. Per the manufacturer, we're going to try to get a bolt in there and pull that down, a longer bolt. So bear with me while I get one. Alright, we've got a 2-inch grade 8 bolt on there. The kit comes with 1.5 inch. We're going to start trying to tighten that up. It appears to be closing the gap pretty good, but still got to do something about that. Maybe the smaller bolt can go on there now. We'll give that a try. Okay, so what we have here is I put a little spacer on this, and I'm going to get it as tight as I can, then I'm going to clamp it and hold it and see if I can get that smaller bolt in there. And now let's see if that'll work. If I go put that in, it's gonna be awful close. Maybe I can get a little more on it. Hopefully those will hold. Looks like it's going to tighten up. Let's see if we can get this up there without needing to hold it with anything else. Now let's go around the back and see if we can get some clamps on. These have notches in them that go over the housing. And hopefully they have kept their stretch from when I first put them together. And now we see if we can pull them together. I had done this once before and stretched them. It looks like that might work. They had to be stretched over the axle the first time. Everything bolted up there real good and nice and tight. Fitted around the engine like it's supposed to. Bolts to the housing. Had to drill that out a little bit. Had to drill that one completely. It didn't exist. So we'll get the sticker and put on it and we'll be done. I was waiting to make this video until I had a chance to actually try out the skid plate. Let's check it out. As you can see, it has been doing its job. It has definitely protected the rear end. Haven't got all the way up on the pinion guards yet, but definitely the bottom of it. Walk around back here and you can see where I've even got the sticker hit a few times. Hey, thanks for watching.